In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to support your thesis writing process. If you're working on a thesis and want help organizing your ideas, improving your writing, or getting unstuck, ChatGPT can be a very useful tool. The key is to use it as a support system, not as a replacement for your own thinking and academic work. To begin, open ChatGPT and clearly describe your thesis topic. Give enough context so the tool understands your subject, your general research area, and what stage you're at. The more specific your description is, the more helpful the response will usually be. For example, instead of giving a broad topic, explain the focus of your study and what you're trying to explore. Once that's done, ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm research questions. This is especially useful if your topic feels too broad or if you're struggling to narrow it down. You can ask for several possible research questions and then compare them to see which ones are clear, focused, and academically useful. At this stage, think critically about whether the questions are realistic, relevant, and aligned with your thesis goals. Next, use ChatGPT to create a thesis outline. A good outline can help you structure your ideas before you start drafting. You can ask for a basic chapter by chapter format or a more detailed outline with sections and subsections. This can save time and help you see whether your argument flows logically from one part to the next. After that, ask for help writing parts such as the introduction, background, or literature review. This can be helpful when you need a starting point or want to understand how a section could be organized. Keep in mind that the generated text should be treated as a draft or reference, not something to copy directly. You can also use ChatGPT to improve sentence structure and clarity. If you already have your own draft, paste in a paragraph and ask for help making it more concise, formal, or easier to read. This is a great way to polish your academic writing while still keeping your original ideas. As your thesis develops, ask it to help explain your findings, limitations, and possible future research ideas. These sections often require careful wording, and ChatGPT can help you express your thoughts more clearly. Most importantly, review every output carefully and rewrite everything in your own words. Always verify any sources and make sure your work follows your school's academic rules. Used responsibly, ChatGPT can make the thesis process more manageable while keeping your work honest, original, and academically sound.